Did you know you can cook a banging chicken tikka masala in your slow cooker? And before the food police arrive in the comments, this is in no way authentic. Start by making the chicken tikka in your air fryer. Don't worry, a full list of ingredients are down in the caption. If you leave this to marinate overnight, then this will allow the flavours to develop. The red food colouring is optional, but it's what they use in a takeaway. Thread onto skewers, then cook in your air fryer or a hot oven for 10 minutes. Now for the masala sauce. Combine onion, garlic and ginger paste along with the herbs and spices, some tomato puree and a tin of chopped tomatoes. Add in the beautiful chicken tikka, then stir well to combine. Cook this curry on the low setting for 6 hours or the high setting for 3. Now, I won't lie, when I was filming this, I forgot to add in the ground almonds, but they go in at the same time as all of the other ingredients. Finally, to finish the dish, pour over some double cream and some more dried fenugreek. Now, if you like your curry a little bit sweeter, you can add a bit of sugar to taste. I love to serve this curry with some fluffy pilau rice and a garlic naan bread. This recipe is also on my brand new website, so go and check it out. What would you like to see next in the Fakeaway series? Bang it!